If you pick an orange from a tree and leave it for some time, a layer of blue-green mold will eventually grow on its surface. Scrape off this layer with a knife, and you get a natural strain of Penicillium. However, the mold culture also contains various other microorganisms. If these contaminants are not removed, it becomes difficult to extract penicillin. So, you take a taro root, boil it in a pot until it becomes a paste, then pour it into a ceramic jar and let it cool. This becomes a natural growth medium. Next, lightly sprinkle the scraped mold over the surface of the paste and cover the mouth of the jar with a fine cotton cloth. You also make several small holes in the cloth to allow air to circulate. Then, place the ceramic jar in a cool, shaded area and let it ferment. When an even yellow-green layer of mold appears on the surface of the liquid, it indicates that the culture has successfully developed. You then filter the liquid through several layers of gauze, obtaining a crude penicillin-containing liquid. However, this liquid still contains many impurities. So, you add an equal amount of rapeseed oil, stir thoroughly, and let the mixture separate into layers. Because oil is less dense than water, it rises to the top and carries away some of the impurities and pigments. Since penicillin is water-soluble, it remains in the lower water layer. Next, remove the oil from the surface, leaving only the lower liquid containing penicillin. However, the liquid is highly acidic and cannot be handled directly. So you put wood ash into water, stir it thoroughly, and then add the ash water to the penicillin solution. The alkaline wood ash water is used to neutralize the acidity of the penicillin. This step is called alkali adjustment and acid removal. Finally, pour the adjusted penicillin solution into a shallow dish and allow the water to evaporate naturally in the shade. Congratulations! You have supposedly recreated penicillin using an ancient-style method.